of the challenges that we face in using Samsung Notes is that we don't have a measuring tool or a floating measuring tool to draw to scale. So when you're drawing an image within the app, yes, you can get straight lines. You can actually draw a line and hold on upon it and it become perfect. Or what about this? Or you can turn on, as we can show you, the fixed shape or shape recognition, whichever way you want to call it, and when time you draw one circle, it becomes perfect. You can fix it how you want it. Good. But when we have a question like this, you remember we do this in the previous video, we say using, let me take off this. When it says using a circle radius of 4 centimeter, construct a pie chart to represent the data. We do that in the previous video. Now, how you do that, except with the edge panel, we have a ruler, a built-in ruler in the edge panel. So you could have measured the 4 centimeter from here, but warm to when you need to draw your horizontal lines, because this ruler cannot be floated around. Well, if it can, I would want somebody to come and show me that. But as it stands now, I am not able to float it around. All right. So one of the fixes to this is to download a floating ruler. So you head over to softonic.com, and inside it, well, I was actually trying to get a protractor and I couldn't get it. And as you notice in the previous pie chart video, I had to actually use a ruler from a geometry set. So all right, we did download it already. So we're going to open it and it says install. One of the challenges you might find is that you might get a warning and say it is unsafe. Click on more detail and you click on install anyway. All right. So the ruler is now being installed. So it asks you some permission right here. So if you draw over other apps or appear on top of apps, then all you need to do is just give it the permission and then you exit. And then now you go into your Samsung Notes, because see the ruler on top of here. See that? Now if you make your ruler transparent, if you make your ruler more visible, because you notice it too transparent right there, so you can hardly see. You can open it. And you can change your color. Color. So you can just play around with your colors them. So I hope you can see it some more. You see? And then you can, so you can use this to do your horizontal measurement, and you can also rotate it to do your vertical measurements. See? So when you have a question like this, let me move the ruler out of the way, because a floating ruler it can move, but anyway. So when it says using a circle of radius 4 centimeters, then you don't have no problem, because see what you do here? All right, so see a 0 right there, so you can even move it to the center of the page. You can move it like literally anywhere. All right, we need a pencil for this. So let me get the pencil. All right. All right, so this is a 0. All right, so 4 centimeters. And you can count, come down, same way, 4 centimeters. And then you can rotate. So to rotate, you see this little blue icon down here, so you click that. Alright, see? You mark off your 4 right here, so. And then you just move the ruler, turn on your shape recognition, and you draw your line. You draw your circle. Oh, this looks so boxy. Aye. Now what you can do now is just adjust it out. And you see the magic? Then you can rub out them here. But you need to keep your center though, you know. So right away, look at this, it's easy. Alright, so this fall off a little bit. And you can do the same thing, rotate it. See if it drop on the 4. Move it out of your way. That's when you construct like pie chart and them something there. Alright. Now, if you're concerned about the accuracy of this ruler, it is very, very accurate. So I'm going to use one from a geometry set and we're going to test its accuracy. So, alright, centimeters, we are measure. Alright. So look. The 0 line up. You see? So it's very, very accurate and nothing can change the accuracy. So next thing, we're going to look for one protractor.